I can't stop this feeling deep inside of me. Girl, you just don't realize what you do to me. When you hold me in your arms so tight, you let me know everything's alright. I'm hooked on a feeling. I'm high on believing that you're
With the playlist ever expanding, and with plenty of space to expand and evolve, for starters, tonight we're gonna draw the great woolly rhino, otherwise known as Colodonta. First discovered in northern Asia. The woolly rhino is a very popular animal, second to the woolly mammoth. Alexa, what is the woolly rhino?
From AmazingAnimalsPlanet.com, the woolly rhino is an extinct rhinoceros species lived during the Pleistocene epoch.
The Pleistocene? Wow. I love that place. Sorry about that, folks. I don't know what you... Well, anyways, back to drawing Colodonta. Sit here. Think long and hard. There are few species of woolly rhino that I may have discovered long before. Alright, got it right here. Alexa, what kind of species of woolly rhino are there out there?
From Youngzine.org, the Sumatran rhino is the smallest species of rhinoceroses and is the closest related descendant of the long-extinct woolly rhino that lived 10,000 years ago.
There are animals like Elasmotherium that are related to him. Yeah. I hope some were transferred to the American Museum of Natural History. I'd love to see him there. What do you guys think? I think it's a great idea. Question for you guys. What was your favorite animal from the Pleistocene? Let me know which one was your best favorite. I'm always here. Anyhow, that's how I draw the woolly rhino, one of the best dinos of prehistoric animals in existence. I'm always here, and won't stop until they're all completed. Have a great season, guys.